We're in Florida. I am gonna camp till I die. Well, I'm not gonna die, so.
Just camp there. I never went to this place.
I never went
Do a
to
trick
this
shot.
place.
You should say that the dirty ass.
Hey, dirty ass crusties. I've never been to this place. Never been to your place. Don't die. Don't get a heart attack from laughing too much.
Hey, dirty ass.
My friend called you retarded. Oh wait, no wait. He said let me talk to him. You don't be shoot me.
Is there cussing him out?
Wow, you got a kill.
Got a kill.
Hey, dirty ass crusties, you want to wipe my dirty ass?
Sometimes I get dirty ass crusties. Where did you come up with that name? Why did it come to you?
Is it true?
He died. No.
Yeah, we talked about
He died, so I